welcome to another Matt.Cook.Oregon video. Today we're exploring Sahalie Falls. That's me. I will be your guide for Sahalie Falls today. These falls are part of the McKenzie River and located at Sahalie Pass of the Cascades. There are 3 falls in the area, including Sahalie Falls and the close-by Koosah Falls. A little farther away is Sahalie Falls, which we won't go to today, but here's a picture. Sahalie to Koosah is a really quick hike, so you don't need much. Some food, water, waterproof boots, and something to keep you warm. The main viewpoint is where you park, but you can also walk up to the top of the falls. Tribes such as the Kalapuya and Chinook traveled and traded here, perhaps on their way to the mountains to get obsidian or to gather huckleberries. The name of the falls originate from Chinook jargon, which was a trade language in this area. This was used to communicate news and trades between different languages. In Chinook jargon, Sahalie translates to upper, top, and heaven. The next waterfall, Koosah, is translated to shining or sky. After the Sahalie viewpoint, you can continue half a mile south down to Koosah Falls. The path from Sahalie to Koosah is part of a larger 25-mile trail called the McKenzie River Trail. Though covered in snow, plant life found here are ferns, Doug fir, hemlock, and cedars. Even in this snow, this is a very quick and easy half mile to another waterfall. Here's a look at Koosah Falls from the summer. Koosah is very similar to Sahalie. The differences are that Koosah is a bit shorter, and the side waterfall is on the left instead of the right. There are a couple different viewpoints at Koosah Falls that you can walk to. This viewpoint takes you down to the bottom of Koosah Falls and is pretty dangerous.
Alright, I just made it down that big steep thing to get down here to the waterfall. It's
sweet view. The snow may be intimidating to some. Overall, it was an easy mile walk to get a view of two great waterfalls. Thank you for joining me in exploring Sahalie and Koosah Falls. Please let me know where in Oregon you would like to see next.